L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you.
And the Spanish education. Subimation. 32, 73, 60.
Was made for me and